Join me as I attend RAPID TCT with SME. If you're new here, my channel is about product development within the electronic, computer, and mechanical space, encouraging inexperienced tech users and makers to complete projects independently. If you have been enjoying, please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification button for continuous reminder of an upload. SME represents the entire North American manufacturing industry. SME is also a co-producer of RAPID TCT. You may be wondering, what exactly is RAPID TCT? Well, RAPID TCT is North America's largest additive manufacturing and industrial 3D printing event. Together in one location are 4 world-class manufacturing events, which are SMEs, Aero Defense Manufacturing, WCX, which stands for SAE's Trademark Mobility Event, the World Congress Experience, and lastly TRX, which stands for America Makes Project Success Showcase, Technical Review and Exchange. There are 8 conference tracks to choose from. They are healthcare, aerospace, automotive, defense, wider industry, ecosystem, R&D materials, and R&D process. There's plenty to choose from to find the one that fits your interests. I was able to immerse myself in the latest additive manufacturing technologies, such as 3D scanning / imaging, metal powder, and the Mengoa 3D printer. There are a variety of 3D scanning or imaging companies that exist. One that I would like to highlight was the Shining 3D, the Einstar Vega wireless all-in-one 3D scanner. It's a wireless scanner with everything in it, and it's 3D. It's supposed to be lightweight as well as handheld. So what you do is you grab the scanner and scan an object like a ball or a chair, and then once you scan that object, it's able to then 3D print that said object that you just scanned. Or you can utilize the clouds and upload that image to like a different software or CAD design software for you to do additional modifications and design work. Russell Phoenix is one of the leading provider of powder handling systems for the additive manufacturing sector. The company's flagship machine is the AM Pro Sieve Station, which is a fully automated powder recovery system designed for maximum sieving efficiency. Yep, you heard that right. They utilize powders in order to make the parts in the 3D printer. If you would like to learn more about the powder handling machine, please visit the Russell Phoenix YouTube channel or one of their videos like the Additive Manufacturing Powder Handling and Sieving at MTC, where you can see and learn a little bit more about the company and the machines that they offer. Mingda specializes in industrial grade 3D printers. In the video, you will notice that they had a variety of machine sizes from very small to very large. Mingda had several parts printing while I was visiting. I did not stay to see the complete final build, but I can only imagine that it took some time to get there. There's also a variety of other 3D printing companies there that was also doing live prints. If you attended RAPID plus TCT, they offered an additive manufacturing certification, offering specifically the review course and exam for the Certified Additive Manufacturing Fundamentals. This certification is ideal for individuals interested in additive manufacturing roles. If you're interested in more information about RAPID plus TCT, then check out their website or the variety of content online, like channel called Canuck Creator titled 3 Cool Things for You from RAPID plus TCT 2025, or embrace making. Title of the video is called Everything You Miss at Rapid Plus TCT 2025. Thank you for joining me on today's trip to Rapid Plus TCT in Detroit, Michigan. Please write a comment below on your favorite 3D printer machine. And don't forget to check out all mentioned videos or companies in the description box below.